Hey guys, it's Caden Weather here. Today we're going to be talking about a low pressure system that's going to be making that's going to be going up into parts of Illinois and Indiana and bringing some rain and snow mix. Now, this is not going to be anything like the one we just saw. Remember that one in Maine that brought a lot of snow in Maine? It's not going to be nearly as much snow. We're going to be some snowfall totals, but definitely not as much into parts of the yes Chicago area. We could be looking at flooding, some snowflakes on this weekend. It's coming in this weekend, and some pretty cold temperatures. So you want to stay tuned for this. But let's get into this first model. I'm going to show up the GFS model. This low pressure system is going to be coming into the Midwest, mostly Indiana and Illinois. Now we're going to time this out, but before I start, I want to show you this circle thing right now in the corner of your screen that you see right now. Is your forecast time and date? This is the GFS model. This is when you're looking at. So this is, for example, this is 12 p.m. on December 8th. So that's when this model is met. We have to fast forward to the weekend because this is going to be coming in on the weekend. So we fast forward and we see this batch of rain going on right here in Oklahoma. Yes, now that you see circled on your screen, that is a low pressure system. Long batch of rain stretching from some sprinkles in parts of Iowa and Illinois, stretching to some heavy rain in eastern and northern Texas. So as you can see, just starting to get into Illinois' rain. But then as we go to Saturday, as you can see here, about midnight to noon, as you can see, 6 a.m. Saturday, we're looking at some snowfall. You wake up in Chicago on Saturday, you might see some snowflakes falling. And yes, we are looking at some accumulating snow. So we could see some on the ground. As you can see, look at it, it's in Chicago by 6 a.m. on Saturday. Now it times out and it moves more north, so all Saturday it will be near the Chicago area. But then as we go into Sunday, it will be moving into the parts of Michigan, and then we move even further. It will move into Canada. So let's back this up and let's just do this really fast. So it starts up in the south and goes to parts of Oklahoma, Texas, that area. Then it moves up. Then it starts to form some snow with this low pressure system as it moves into parts of Illinois, Indiana, and then it moves into Michigan, and then it moves into Canada really quickly there. Now, I want to go and show you really quickly the temperatures that we're going to be seeing. This is the high temperatures for this Sunday, coming up Sunday. As you see, 37, we're going to see just above freezing, so probably not going to see that much ice. Yeah, ice is not a big concern. We may not even see any ice for some areas. Maybe some for just some areas, but not a lot of ice with this low pressure system. Mostly snow. Now, we got the temperatures just real quickly. I want to go and show you snow depth. Now, this is total snow depth. Now, as you can see, this is the low pressure system here bringing lots of snow. And you see, again, not a whole lot of snow that we're going to be seeing. We're only going to be seeing 12 inches, 0.12 inches. So we're not going to be seeing that much snow. And again, this is all just total accumulated, and we may not even see a lot of accumulation. As you see, we do see the most snow here in this little thing just near, little dot of snow just near Chicago, as you can see. But other than that, we could see up to about 10 to 11 inches, 0.10 inches. So not a lot of snow, but we definitely are expected to see some, as you can see here. Indiana, your hopes are not very high, less than 0.2 inches, but if you live in northern Illinois, you guys have a little bit more chances of getting snow. Now, yes, like I just talked about earlier, we do have the chance for seeing flooding. So, this is a huge explanation I need to tell you. So you see this, this is a total accumulated rainfall, as you can see here. This is included with the low pressure system. Mixed snow and rain, we could see a lot of rain. So, we're going to be seeing up to 2 inches of rain up here in parts of Chicago. And the reason that's Chicago, it's not only because the weather chooses Chicago, it's because Chicago doesn't have grass. So usually most of this accumulated rainfall isn't right because it usually sinks into the grass. But with big cities and a lot of not like there's not usually grass in that downtown city. Not a whole lot of it. There's usually concrete. And so that stays on the concrete, and when all the gutters get filled up, then it floods. So there's not a whole lot of grass for it to sink into. That's why we're getting a lot of flooding in Chicago. There's not a whole lot of grass for it to sink into. So we could be seeing flooding in Chicago. Not that much flooding other places, but Chicago, yes, the rain doesn't have anywhere to sink into. So we could be seeing flooding. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, here it is again. So I wrapped up what I just talked about. Low pressure system going into parts of Illinois. Could be some snow, some flooding, and as you can see, you saw my video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want more videos. Have a great rest of your week. Stay safe, stay weather aware. See you in the next video. Bye. Hope you guys are excited for winter.